Before diving into the enchanting world of William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, it's important to have a basic understanding of the main characters. The play is filled with a colorful cast of characters, each with their own unique personalities and quirks. By taking the time to learn about the characters, you'll be able to fully appreciate the intricate plot and understand the motivations behind their actions. But before we continue, let us shine a spotlight on one of the central figures in this delightful tale. Theseus, the Duke of Athens. Theseus is a prominent character in William Shakespeare's play, A Midsummer Night's Dream. He is the Duke of Athens and a powerful ruler who is highly respected and admired by his subjects. In the play, Theseus is portrayed as a noble and just leader who is fair to all those who come before him seeking justice. As the ruler of Athens, Theseus is responsible for upholding the law and maintaining order in his kingdom. He is a strong and decisive leader who is not afraid to make tough decisions when the situation demands it. His commitment to justice and fairness is evident when he hears the plea of Aegeus, who demands that his daughter Hermia marry Demetrius instead of her true love, Lysander. Theseus is not swayed by Aegeus' arguments and instead gives Hermia a choice to marry the man she loves or face the consequences of disobeying her father's wishes. Apart from his role as a ruler, Theseus is also a romantic figure in the play. He is deeply in love with Hippolyta, the queen of the Amazons, and their upcoming wedding forms an important part of the plot. Theseus' love for Hippolyta is evident in the way he talks about her and in the care he takes to ensure that their wedding celebrations are perfect. Theseus is a complex character who embodies the ideals of justice, fairness, and romance. He is a strong and decisive leader who commands respect and admiration from those around him. Despite his noble and just qualities, he is also capable of tenderness and displays a deep love for his bride-to-be, Hippolyta. So, my fellow explorers of literature, join me in our next episode as we immerse ourselves in the captivating world of complexity that is an integral part of this enchanting play. Until then, stay curious and embrace the magic of Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream.